Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and this is the latest Close to My Heart catalog for April to June 2023. There's a big core catalog that has the products that are good for the year, but then they always come up with some additional things, and so every 3 months they have these little mini catalogs. This is a note from Jeanette, the contents, and then this is the what it takes to become a maker, if you want to do that, which is what I am, or a VIP customer. If you have questions or any interest in that, just leave them in the comments below and I'm happy to answer. There are 2 subscription boxes you can get from Close to My Heart. The first one is the card making, and it comes out every 4 months. You would subscribe for a year, and then every 4 months you get another box. And I'm thinking it makes a different amount of cards depending on how many slimline, that kind of thing. But I think 12 to 14 is what they run. I will link to a couple of videos below when I did a couple of these kits and I show you how to put them together. But there are die cut pieces, there's a stamp set, you're going to get a little ink cube and a little stamp block to use, and the only thing you'd need is adhesive. Everything else is in the box. The envelopes, the card bases, everything. And I love that sometimes they send you colored envelopes that match the cards. Just a lot of fun. They also are seasonal, so as you get towards Christmas, there'll be Christmas cards, that kind of thing. Okay, Craft with Heart, this is the scrapbooking one, and you get to make 4 pieces, so 2 layouts, 2 12 by 12 layouts in each one. Everything comes with it that you need. The only thing you need is adhesive and a pen if you're going to do this journaling, which I'm sure you're going to want to do that. Everything else is included. And this you can either do every 4 months, you can subscribe, so you pay for 1 kit, or you can pay a 12-month and then just get the kits every 4 months. This is the newest paper collection. There are 3 new ones in this catalog, so that's nice. This one's called Cosette, really pretty. One of my favorite things about these catalogs is just seeing all the artwork that they've made with these. I just love that. This is the paper and the sticker sheet. So the way the paper comes is you get 6 sheets, 2 of each of these double-sided. So this is the front and back of each sheet. You can get it with or without the sticker sheet. The sticker sheet just increases the price just a little bit. And then they sell the coordinating cardstock if you want in just this pack like this, where you get 2 of each, which is nice. So if this mulberry you wanted to use for card making or whatever, you don't have to order a whole pack of just mulberry. You can get the sheets that go with it, which I really love. These are die cuts. These are paperboard weight die cuts, and I love the graphic black and white. This is your digital download for Cricut to go into Design Space. These are your Picture My Life cards, so your pocket scrapbooking cards in 4x6 and 3x4. Now the way they work is, so you've got these butterflies like this. If you flip this card over, it would have the butterflies going long way. So going vertical or horizontal, depending on which side you're looking at. I really love that, especially for card making. So I might have one of these I want to use on a card. Well, it wouldn't work long way, that kind of thing. So I love that. So each collection comes with these different pieces, and you'll see that for each one. This is a stamp set they've designed to coordinate with the collection, and you can get it just the stamp set, so it would be this, or you can get the stamp set with the die cut. So you'd get these 2 pieces to do these looks, and also the die cut cuts around these different florals and sprigs. And then this one they've designed that they consider to be more of a scrapbooking. Same thing, there's some die cuts you can get that cut out some of these pieces. This is the first kit. So there's always 2 kits for every collection. This one is the scrapbooking one, and you'd get to make these 3 different double-sided 12 by 12 layouts. And it comes with all of these pieces. And then they also tell you what additional things you might want. Like you might want a round sponge. You might want some ink colors in the different colors. They use 2 different colors on here. You might want some 3D foam tape. So those things are all optional and don't come with the kit, but I love that they tell you what they used to create these looks in case you want those items. Of course, you're going to need adhesive for any of these. And this is the card making kit for this Cosette collection. And it makes 16, so 4 of each of these. These are all the pieces. I love this little die cut bow. So cute. I love the way it looks on here and how you can use it different ways. So pretty. And then this is the stamp set. So this die cut will cut out this tag and the bows, the different bows, and then the stamp sets like this. So you get both of those. You get these little black flowers that are some paperweight die cuts also. You get the envelopes and you get the card bases. So you get everything you need to make these except for your adhesive and your ink, which you can use black if you want. This is the second collection. It's called Hey Handsome. I really should get the card kit with this because I really struggle with masculine cards. It's so easy for me to make feminine things, but I get to the masculine and I just don't really know what to do. I struggle. So here are the papers. Here's the sticker set, coordinating cardstock, and these are acrylic shapes for this collection. I love that little mustache. And then here's your digital download and your Picture My Life cards. Here is what they've designed as a card making set. This one doesn't have an option of a die cut. And then this one is the scrapbooking, and it does have a die cut that will cut out these pieces. I think these, I'm not sure about that. No, I think just these are the thin cuts. I love this background. They've done this whole paper with this background stamp. I don't think I have the patience for that, but it is cute. Here is the scrapbooking workshop kit. And here is the card making. Look at that with the belt and the belt loops. You're going to do some distressing with sandpaper, they say, for this. So cute. So in order to do this exactly like to get the 16 cards, they say you need these 4 inks and then 3D foam tape. Again, you can do black on each of these if you don't want to have a lot of ink in your collection. I happen to have a lot of ink in my collection, of course. But the stamp set, the die cuts, the die cut makes that pocket and it cuts out the pin. Oh, so cute. Okay. This third collection is called Hello Darlin', and it's clearly made for 4th of July. But I love the red roses. You could use it for anything, really. Here are the papers, the sticker sheet, the coordinating cardstock. These embellishments are red acrylic shapes and navy acrylic. Okay, so the navy is paperboard weight, and the red are acrylic shapes. So that's interesting. They've got a mix of both. Here's your digital download and your Picture My Life cards. And then here is what they've designed for card making. And this one, again, does not have a die cut to coordinate with that. And this is the scrapbooking, and there is a die cut or a thin cut to go with that. These are some layered flowers, which is always a lot of fun to do. I don't know if you've ever done layered flowers, but they are a whole lot of fun. Put the detail in the leaves and the flowers. Here is the scrapbooking kit. And here's the card making kit. Really pretty. Here are the mix-ins. So if you wanted to extend any of the collections a little bit more, you can get these mix-in papers. And I think they come, let's see, you get 6, 1 each of 6 double-sided designs. So this is front and back of each of these sheets. And they're showing you all the different ones. So you can have this to help extend the other packs or use just on their own. They're really pretty. And then you can also get the cardstock papers that match the collections and just 6 sheets. So 1 each of these papers that would coordinate with this and coordinate with the collections. Okay, now we're getting into the stamps and thin cuts. This one is about step families and half siblings, step siblings, that kind of thing. Parenthood is all about love. Best bonus. You are so much more than just a parent to me. You made the amazing choice to love me even though you didn't have to. Bonus parent, bonus love, bonus support, bonus dad. That is so cute. Not by blood, but by choice. This could be adoption set too. I mean, these are really cute. We are not step, we are not half, we are family. Just a really pretty, I love the way they've done like everything on this page. That is beautiful. Okay, then we've got a paw parent. This one's called Kids with Paws. Oh, this is called Best Bonus. And there is a die cut. No, it's just a stamp set. No die cut for this one. And this is called Kids with Paws stamp set. My kids are cute and they have paws. That's cute. This one is our mom stamp set. Really pretty. This one is the We Love Grandparents. I love all the different names. Do you have a special name? I'm just grandma. But I know one of my cousins, he's Pop Pop to his grandkids. I have a friend who's Sassy. I mean, it's just, and another friend that goes by a completely different name, doesn't sound like anything but it's because that's what her grandson, when he was learning how to talk, started calling her. And so people even call her that, not just her grandson. But anyway, I love that with all the different names in there. And then here's the coordinating dad stamp set. These do not have die cuts. They're just stamp sets like that. But look at the little that she did with that. That is so cute. And this one is called Friend Like You stamp set, and there is a die cut if you want to purchase that. I love that. So it says, missing you, my, and then you could use the friend. So you can kind of mix and match. I'm blessed to have a friend, and then maybe the like you want to use. So cute. Okay, this one says Turtly Awesome. Happy birthday late, but worth the wait. I probably need that one for sure. And then here's some small ones. This one is called Your Friendship is a Blessing. This one is No Rain, No Flowers. Cute. Also, another thing is they will tell you what size blocks you want to use. So, like, for instance, let me see. With this one, it says you need a 2x2 block. So that will fit on there. So you kind of get an idea of the size. And then it says a 1x1 block for the little raindrops. Of course, you can use a bigger one for that. But I just like that it tells you which size. So maybe you don't have a really big one and you need it for the spare. So you know you probably need to get something. Or use your Misty if you have it. But I love, so they say 1x1 and they have little grooves in them. So you can kind of hold to the side so your finger's not down towards the bottom. I really like that about their blocks. And I have a big collection of them. Okay, and this one is called Berry Special Stamp and Die Cut. And this one is Hot Air Balloon Fest. Just really pretty. And again, the artwork is just gorgeous. Look how they put those inside the little balloon. It says, Welcome, Little One. That is really pretty. This is called Brewed for You. And I love how they have done root beer floats out of it. They've got the cherries, so it's not necessarily just a beer. It could be a float of some kind. So cute. We're like ice cream and root beer, better together. Really cute. Okay, this one is limited edition, it says. And then that, because they have limited edition, you could put mom or dad. I love the little baseball caps. And they've used this for a Little League one where it says All-Star #1 and has a star on the hats. Really cute. And of course, there's a thin cut. Cut some of these pieces out. This one is Always Near stamp set, and this is like a sympathy one, I think. Those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Sometimes there are no words. Always here for you today, tomorrow, every day. It's really cute. I love this one with that background. And here's a Get Well one. Ouch, that sounds like it hurt. Sending love, healing vibes. I love the little faces you can put on the Band-Aids. Cute. So the thin cuts will cut out these different shapes. Number balloon stamp and thin cuts. Those are cute. And then this one is The Future is Bright. So it's your graduation one. Hey, cool hat. That's cute. And here's some artwork to show you how they used it. And these are pretty. Okay, so number 1 is Bouquet stamp, and there is a thin cut that will cut that out. Number 2 is Where Your Heart Leads. Be who you are, do what you love, go where your heart leads you. This could be for inside of a graduation card too. That's pretty. Here is a big background stamp. So like for instance, this leafy background, you'd need, if you're going to use a stamp block, you'd need a 5x6. That's how big it is for it. And then it has all the different sentiments. Now if you see over here, I don't know if you can see it as clearly, but they've done the background here on this piece. They've done the background behind this flower is this stamp, and they've done another one back behind here. So I love the way they've used all of those. I also love these sentiments are very usable. You've got the congratulations, happy birthday, all of those things. Okay, this is called Big Hug Stamp Set. Cute. So that's this one right here. This one is Happy Day, and it's got happy, oh happy anniversary, mail, day, you make me happy. That's cute. This one is Wishing You All the Things. I love this little font. So cute. And then Hello. So this is Hello Sunshine, hello there. Happy hello. You can mix and match them. Beautiful Bride stamp and thin cut. It cuts out these, this, and this, the bride. That's beautiful. So let's see how big. You need the 5x6 to do the bride, the stamp block. Or of course your Misty if you have one of those. Or any other positioning tool. You can see how big it is there. All right. Oh, these are gorgeous layouts. Okay, so this looks like a border one, ornamental border stamp set. That's what this one is. Look how they've used all the different borders in a row. Really pretty. And then this one is called Family Roots stamp set. Love that. Look at the old time camera. That is really pretty. Digging up our roots. Cute. Okay, I don't have this yet, but I think I may need it. It is an embossing folder, so you're going to get a raised design and then 2 stencils. So you can create this detail. You can put one color and then come back and do the detail with the other. Really pretty. You can see how they've used it here. And then these are 2 sentiments, one going vertical and one going horizontal for your slimline cards, which is really pretty. More and more people are designing, I think, for these big slimline cards and the mini slimlines. Okay, these are the stamps of the month. This is April, and I have this one, which I chose this one to get first because of all the coloring that you can do. Isn't that gorgeous? All of the different florals to fill in. I do love the sentiments too. And then this is the May, and then this is the June. So the way these work, I do love that. The way these work is these are $5 if you make a $50 purchase. For $5 you can add this into your order. So I almost always end up with all of them because it's just so easy to add a $5 item on. Okay, and this in the back is the Operation Smile stamp set. So of every Operation Smile stamp set that you purchase, $7 goes to Operation Smile. That is the charity of choice for Close to My Heart. You know, that's the one that fixed the cleft palates and the different deformities of the mouth and lips and face for the children all over the world. So Operation Smile, they get $7 of this. Also, when you place an order, and of course I will link to my website below, but when you place an order, you can round it up or add more money on, however you want to do it. I always round up my orders every time, and that money goes to Operation Smile also. So a really cute catalog. I hope you enjoyed looking through it. If you have any questions, like I said, put them below. I will link to the catalog itself or my website so that you can either order a catalog if you want it, or when you place an order, they put a catalog in it. So you'll get this catalog if you order between April and June. If you order in July, of course, you'll get the next catalog. And these items, some of them will be available, some of them won't. It depends on how they sell out. Right now is April, and it's Cardstock Carnival, I think they call it. So I just placed a cardstock order because all of the cardstock is on sale. The solid colored paper is on sale right now, and I was out of a few colors, so I went ahead and placed an order. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.